welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing for you today. It is a Stitch Fix unboxing. I don't normally do Stitch Fix, only once in a while. If you don't know anything about Stitch Fix, it is a clothing subscription box company, and it is a $20 or $25 styling fee, and it goes towards anything that you want to purchase in the box. And I'm not sure if you get to keep that and let it roll over. I'm really not sure. It probably says in the box, so we'll probably just open the box and find out. Trying to think if there's anything else that I need to tell you. It may I will leave all the information in the description bar because I don't do it a lot. I don't know a lot of, I do know a lot of information. It'll probably refresh my brain once I open the box. I do have a referral link that I will leave in the description bar in case you would like to use it. I'm not entirely sure what I get for that either often, so if you would like to use my referral link, I would greatly appreciate that. If not, that's okay too. That's okay. All right, let's get into this box. So this is a pretty big box. I usually see them, they're like that. So I don't know, maybe there's like a coat or something in here. It's January. Although today is February 4th, and it's 60 degrees in upstate New York. Strange weather. And like all the snow is melting and we're getting flooded. So very strange weather here in upstate New York. So, all right, we got that done. Come on now. And on the box, when you open it, it does tell you, there's some instructions here. It says what to do next. It says discover and decide. You try on all the items and then share your thoughts. You can go to your profile on Stitch Fix and tell them what you thought, and then you send back whatever you don't want. If you don't want any of it, you just send it back. If you want to keep it all, then you get a discount. If you want to just keep one piece, then you don't get a discount, but you get to keep the piece that you like, right? So here's what it looks like when I just open the box. And then when we open that up, yep, I was right, there is a jean jacket thingy in there. So I do know somewhere in this box, aha, found it. Found it. Okay, so here is all of our stuff. It comes with a prepaid bag, and you take it right to the post office and send it right on back to them. And then here is our envelope with all of our stuff inside. And then here's our little information sheet with all of our little things on it. And it says your style delivered, and it says, hi Holly, happy Fix Day. It says I like to dress to impress my husband, so I do definitely like to wear things that he likes to see me in. So she said, I was also sad to see that your last fix was a bust. I spent a little extra time making sure I found your pieces that you were going to love and that made you feel sexy. All the stuff and yada, yada, yada. Oh, it does say refer a friend and get $25 in credit when you share Stitch Fix with friends. And so I do get something, you get something, we both get something. So let's get into this box. I'm not going to look at the price sheet yet because I don't want to. I don't want to be sad right off the bat. So, okay, so let's see what this top piece is. Oh, no, this is definitely not for me. I don't like these kind. I feel like, no. Sorry, I don't wear this kind of thing. So, definitely, I don't even, no, don't like it. Already, don't like it. Ooh, not me. It is Just USA Naomi denim vest in a size 2X. I don't wear vests. I don't like vests. Oops, I forgot to say that. I just don't like vests. It's just me. I just don't like vests. I really don't care for them. I never have. But there's that. I mean, I like jean jackets. Don't get me wrong. I love jean jackets, but I prefer to have the sleeves with the jacket. So, okay, and then next we have Market and Spruce, and this is a Gianna Knit Maxi. Let's see, which way do we go here? Gianna Knit Maxi. Oh. That is very pretty. This is also in a size 2X, and I'm thinking that this part is the back, because that is where the tag is, so obviously. And then there's the tag right there is the tag. And then it just is a long dress, and I'm not sure that this is an elastic waist. Well, maybe a little give there. And then it does have it's kind of like a halter top in the front here. Right there, crisscross top. Looks like there's deodorant on there, something. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I'm just seeing things. My tired eyes today. But that is very cute. It's just a long maxi dress, black. No kind of pockets or anything like that, no. And then, like I said, it's just a long maxi dress, no slits or nothing in the bottom. That's kind of cute, All right, come on. Oh, that is very long. All right, let's see what's next. All right, oh, very light. Okay, and this is Gold Ray Sarmin Mesh Inset Silk Blouse in black, and this is a 2X. I don't normally mess with silk because I know what entails washing with silk. And there is the front with the lace in the front. Now that is very pretty. I do like that effect on a shirt. It's very pretty, but this seems, what is going on here? What are you doing? Oh, nuh-uh. Oh no. Come on, why do I always get the messed up clothes? Come on, seriously? Look at this. Seriously. Every time I get a clothing box, I always get it, and there's something wrong with it. I give up. That's the second box this week that I've gotten that something is wrong with it. So you would think these clothing boxes would pay attention to the clothes that they're sending you. I mean, although I am doing the video and they can watch the video and see for themselves that I clearly didn't do that. So I'm going to fold that back up nice and neat. There we go. And then we have a sweater. This is very pretty. Okay, let's see here. Oh, I love this sweater. This is very pretty. Oh, Love Ellie Millie long sleeve braided back detail cardigan. Oh, I love cardigans. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, very cute. I love this blush color. Very cute. I thought that was a snag. I was gonna say, come on now. Oh, okay, and here is the back. I love that detail. This is a size 2X. That is very cute. I love that. Isn't that cute? Very nice detail. I love that. Very pretty. Very cute. Very cute. I love that detail in that sweater. Very nice. Very nice detail. Like that. That's a plus. All right. And we have one more thing in here. Oh, must be my extra. I did order one extra. And then we have the cut from the cloth. I love cut from the cloth jeans. Cut from the cloth, Emelina wide cuff boyfriend jeans, and the color indigo, and the size is a 16. I love these, but I may have to size down because I put jeans on. The jeans that I'm wearing are size 14 now, so I'm afraid that these are not going to. I think they're going to be a little big, and these tend to stretch out. Cut from the cloth tends to stretch out. But they're cuffed, and are they tacked? Yes, they are tacked. They do not unroll. So I do like these though. I love cut from the cloth jeans, but these are very nice jeans. Very nice. There's the back. Very nice jeans. Very nice. All right, and then I did order one extra here. Extra comfort, extra support, extra nice. Let's see here. Okay. And these are control top, invisible toe, style number, and then that's what I ordered here. Those. I have a hard time finding these in my size because I have such wide hips. So I thought, well, let me see if I can find them in my size at Stitch Fix. So, okay guys, well, I am going to try these on for you and we will see what we're dealing with. Okay, be right back with the first outfit. Okay, so it's the next day and I have the dress on. So here's the dress. Okay. I don't mind the dress, I really don't. It does go to the floor. I'm finding it very impossible to show you. I don't think you, yeah, you could probably see it now. There we go. I'm a little short, sorry. But yeah, I mean, I don't mind the dress. It is a little low cut there. But I mean, I do like the back. It is a nice dress. But I guess that will depend on the price. So let me try the rest of the stuff out. Okay, so I did put that black top on even though it is damaged. Oh my gosh. I think that the sweater and the black top are just way too big. Let me know what you guys think though. But here's the sweater. I just think that it is just, and forewarning, the shirt is extremely too big. So let me make sure that my bra is covered. So here's the sweater. And I just think it's just too big. It's just too big on me. It is too big. I mean, there you go. It's just way too big on me. So I'm going to take the sweater off and show you the shirt. And the shirt is extremely huge on me. Yeah. There's everything. I particularly do not like this shirt. I don't like to show all of my arms like this at all. So, yeah, this shirt is just, I don't know if you can, yeah, it's just way too big. It's just huge. But there's the back, everything. It is just, it's too long. It's just too big, period. So, but here are the jeans. They look pretty good, but there's a lot of room, and with cut from the cloth, after you're wearing them for a while, they do tend to stretch out and stay out. So there's the bottoms. They're cute. I do like these jeans, but like I said, once they stretch out, they're the type of fabric that stays out. So I do have this thing, called it a thing, but I'm not real big on these. I think it's because of my arms that I'm not a fan of this type of clothing. I love jean jackets. I have several jean jackets, but I'm just not a big fan of these. And besides that, it's just too big. It's just too big. So yeah, that's huge on me too. I can almost wrap it twice. So yeah, that's just too big too. So yeah, everything in this box besides the dress, and look at this, black shirt's like a dress too. So besides the dress and the jeans really is a bust. And I'm talking to you with my head cut off. Sorry. Everything besides the jeans and the dress it's going back. So I just mainly have to really consider, I think, the dress. I'll be right back and we will recap. Okay guys, well, I got my price sheet here. We're gonna see how much these clothes cost. I'm always scared with Stitch Fix because it just is too much. So let's see. Oh, that silk blouse. No. Okay, let's start with the dress. That dress It's a beautiful dress. I like this dress, but it is $68. It's a 2X. I honestly think I could have got away with a 1X because I'm going to be having surgery. And that's why I'm kind of iffy on clothes right now, because I'm going to be having surgery and it's a skin removal surgery. And so I'm kind of trying to, you know, buy clothes that are actually a little too small so that I know they're gonna fit one after I have the surgery. So, I don't know. But the dress is, I think it's meant to be worn a little bigger. I'm not entirely sure, but okay. And then this braided, long sleeve braided back Love Ellie cardigan is a size 2X and it is $48. It's a pretty sweater. I do like this sweater. It is very pretty. I love the crisscross braid in the back. It's just too big. And it'd be really humongous once I have the surgery. I mean, I can almost wrap it around myself twice now, so I can't imagine after, you know, after the surgery. And then the jeans, yeah, definitely. The jeans fit me almost perfect now, so after the surgery, yeah, that's probably not going to work either. Cut from the cloth, and they're size 16, and I can get into a 14 now, and they're $88. So I can't see, I'll probably be in a 12 after the surgery. So for a pair of pants that are going to be 2 sizes too big for $88, no, that's a no-go for me. And this silk blouse, size 2X, fit me like a 4X for $48, and it's damaged. Wouldn't consider it anyway. This vest, no, I didn't like them as a teenager, and I don't like them as a 50-year-old woman. So the vest is, how much were you? $44. It is the cheapest thing in the box, but I still don't like it. I have to be honest. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you and say, oh, it is cute. No, it's not cute. I don't like it. I mean, if you like vests, then that's you, but I personally don't like vests. But anyway, we have the subtotal is $296. If I were to buy all, it would be a $74 discount. And then I did ask for the control top tights, which are $9.50, which would have brought it to $231.50. And then I had a credit of $20, which brought it down to a grand total of $211.50 if I were to keep the whole box, which I will not be doing. All of it will be going back, unfortunately. That is it for this video. If you would like to try Stitch Fix, it is a great company and I recommend it. It'll take you a couple of fixes to get your fix on and get in a groove where every fix will be a hit. But once you get there, it's going to be hard for you to send them clothes back. So I warn you, I warn you, I warn you. So if you'd like to try Stitch Fix, just click on the link below and use my referral code just so that I can get some more fixes going on myself. All right, guys. Well, if you haven't yet subscribed, click that subscribe button over there. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to watch out for my secret giveaways, which I have a couple going on right now. So you might want to check out some of my other videos that you will find at the end of this video, and some in the iCards that I have provided along the way in this video. And I'll see you in my next video real soon. All right, guys.